How do you feel when the tomatoes I grow at home have a high yield like those grown in the field, and sometimes even more? If you don't know how to grow dwarf tomatoes at home for high yield, watch this entire video of mine. I will guide you on how to grow and care for them properly. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants, I choose old tomatoes with firm seeds. Cut them open, remove the seeds, wash them, and soak them in water. The water must be at 40 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours of soaking, I will pour it out and plant it in the ground. After sowing the seeds, I watered them with a mist spray to create moisture for the seeds to germinate quickly. I use a laundry detergent can, cut a corner, to fill the soil to plant the plant, and I will also cut a small hole for the bottle to throw away waste. Then I will use a hole punch to poke holes around the can to drain water and help the plants breathe better. Water bottle. I will cut off the top and punch holes around the bottle to make a kitchen waste bottle. I will cut the bottom of the water bottle and use a wire to cut a section to make a water line. To make the plants grow quickly and the soil loose for the plants to grow quickly, I mix worm castings into the soil. After a few days, the seeds have sprouted and grown into beautiful young plants. I will take them out and plant them in a 5-liter can of laundry detergent. After planting the young tree, I will put water in the bottle, and the water will flow along the power line to provide water to the tree with moderate humidity. I put kitchen waste into compost. When the waste is ripe, it will decompose into water called organic fertilizer. The fertilizer will flow through the small holes of the bottle and seep into the soil. The soil will provide nutrients for the plants to grow. At this stage, the tree has taken root and is growing very well. To prevent the tree from lacking nutrients, I use fresh milk mixed with water to water the tree. I put soil at the base to help the tree stand more firmly. After planting, the tree is now flowering and bearing fruit. To provide nutrients for the tree to grow and bear fruit, I mix fresh milk with water to water the tree. To keep the plant from lacking moisture, I put water in a bottle. It's amazing how quickly my dwarf tomato plant has produced so much fruit. Now I will harvest tomatoes to cook delicious food I will share with everyone to enjoy. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.